Super Truck Team, let's set off!
This amusement park has been abandoned for a long time. I want to renovate it. Truck Team, I'll count on you.
No problem. You can count on us. Super Truck Team,
Let's get to work.
I am the crane. Let's assemble the aquarium first. Let's secure the support first. The building of aquarium is completed. I am the crane. Let's install the new cabins for the Ferris wheel. Install the cabins on the Ferris wheel. Yeah, the installation of Ferris wheel is completed. I am the crane, and I will also be in charge of repairing broken roller coaster. Let's assemble the tracks first. The installation of roller coaster tracks is completed.
I am the bulldozer. Let me clean up the ground before inflating the castle. I am the lawn spreader. I'm good at laying lawn.
Next,